Yes, and start. This assembly decided last year almost unanimously, I think, in favor of general widespread disarmament. Full stop. The great nations of the world have committed themselves to it. Full stop. The United States, through its president, recently put forward proposals which are in line with what this assembly has decided. Full stop. Soviet Russia has put forward proposals to that same effect, varying them slightly but essentially aiming at the same thing. Full stop. There is a good deal of commonness about them in broad outline. Full stop. If this is so, why should we not grasp the opportunity and remove the fear and terror from people's minds and devote our energies and resources to the advancement of the world? Question mark. This major and outstanding question must be dealt with speedily, and the great countries, especially those which have the greatest responsibility, should address themselves again and again to the consideration of this problem together through negotiations to reach agreements. Full stop. Such agreements cannot be merely agreements between some countries, however great. Full stop. These must represent all the members of the United Nations. Full stop. But I do think that it is better for a few countries to deal with this problem to begin with. Full stop. I feel rather strongly on this question, although we in India are probably not situated in the major theaters of a possible war. Full stop. Everything that man has striven for in the past thousands of years is stake today. Full stop. While I feel as strongly as possible about the freedom of the colonial countries and other dependent people, I do think that the biggest question today is the question of war and peace and disarmament. Full stop. Next paragraph. The General Assembly passed a resolution recently about nuclear tests. Full stop. It was a great misfortune that after a period of abstinence from nuclear tests, there was a resumption of these tests. Full stop. Immediately, it becomes more difficult to have treaties for ending nuclear tests because the whole atmosphere becomes one of fear and apprehension. Full stop. I do think, and I would beg the countries concerned to realize that they are doing a grave disservice to the world, to their own countries, by not putting an end to nuclear test by treaty as quickly as possible. Full stop. The assembly passed a resolution in a voluntary moratorium is going to solve this question. Full stop. There must be stricter controls by treaty and otherwise. Full stop. Nuclear tests are basically evil forever. Full stop and over.